So, Tim, we've got the Isokern material here, and we're really going to see the power of what this material does, correct?
You'll understand why we bring this material all the way from Iceland. This is a section of our inner liner of chimney flue. Crossways, it's probably 1.25 inches thick. At 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, this material begins to melt and go back to its molten state like it came out of the volcano.
1,700 degrees.
But you'll be able to hold your hand on the back of this.
Just a couple degrees warmer on the back side. Pretty incredible. So what are we seeing right here?
Glass on the front has melted it back to molten glass.
And it's because it's the reflective qualities, it doesn't transfer all the way back through, right?
Correct.
It's kept it all in that top layer.
That, my friends, is why we bring the pumice from Iceland.